Hello students, today's topic is correlation. As you know, co means two, co-education means education for both boys and girls. In the same way, correlation means relationship between two, okay? That means as we are studying here variables, so correlation means relationship between the two variables. So before going in detail what is correlation, let's know what is bivariate distribution. So far we have confined our discussion to univariate distribution only, that is the distribution involving only one variable, it is x, okay. And also we have seen how the various measure of central tendency, dispersion, skewness and kurtosis can be used for the purpose of comparison and analysis, okay. We may however come across certain series where each item or unit of the series may assume the values of two or more variables, okay. If we measure the height and weight, okay, if we measure the height and weight, okay, of an individual, we obtain a series in which each unit, or that means each individual of the series, assume two values, one relating to height, okay, this one variable relating to height and other variable relating to weight of an individuals, okay. So such distribution in which each unit of the series assume two values is called a bivariate distribution, okay. Further, if we measure more than two variables on each unit of the distribution, it is called multivariate distribution. So hope you it is clear that what is bivariate distribution, what is univariate and what is multivariate distribution, okay. Now here I have given some examples of correlation where we can find correlation. So look at the examples. First example is the series of marks of individual in two subjects in an examination. So the series of marks of, suppose n individuals in two subject in an examination. Suppose we are finding the marks of, we are taking note down the marks of maths and stats, okay, maths and stats of n individuals or n students. So let it denote by x and this by y. So it is a case of univariate distribution. And then we can, whenever we studied univariate distribution, we can find the correlation between the two variable x and y, where x denotes the marks in maths and y denotes the marks in stat. So this is an example of univariate distribution where we can apply correlation formula, or we can study the correlation between the two variable x and y. Now look at the second example, the series of sales revenue. As you know, sales revenue, that means the profit from the sale, okay, and advertising expenditure of different companies in a particular year. That means if they spend more money on advertising, the sale is increasing or decreasing, we can check, okay, by correlation method. So we can find the correlation here. This is also a bivariate distribution. If we study this, we note down the sale revenue as x variable and advertising expenditure as y variable, okay. If this is x, if this is y, then we can study the correlation between the two variables x and y. That means if we increase the expenditure, sale is increasing or not, or if it is increasing, so in the same direction or not, there is a positive or negative correlation we can find through correlation method. So this is a case of bivariate distribution. Now look at the third one, the series of age of husband and wives in a sample of selected married couple. Suppose we have selected a sample of married couple, then we note down the age of husband and wife. Okay, ages of husband and wives. Then we can again, if we denote the husband age by X and this by Y, then again we can, it is a case of bivariate distribution, because each couple get two values, one value for husband age and other value for wife age. So we can here use correlation formula, or we can find the correlation between these two variable X and Y. So it is a case of bivariate distribution. We get two values, okay, one series for age of husband and one series for age of wives. So we can apply correlation, or we can find the relationship between this X and Y. Okay, is there any relationship is present or not? Okay, now correlation, type of correlation are sometimes positive and sometimes negative. So here I have written few example of positive correlation and few example of negative correlation. Now look here, positive correlation. Number one, height and weight. Positive correlation means both are moving in the same direction. Okay, if height is increasing, weight is also increasing. Okay, as you know, when height increase, weight definitely increase. So both are moving in the same direction. That means it is a case of positive correlation. Now look here, second case, the family income and expenditure. That is also expenditure on luxury item. Okay, the family income and expenditure on luxury item. So same, if income is increasing, expenditure also increase. So it is again a case of positive correlations. That means here we can find positive correlation. If we collect the data and analyze it, we will get positive correlation. Now the third one, amount of rainfall and yield of crop. If the rainfall increase up to a certain point, okay, if it increase, the yield of crop also increase. So both are moving in the same direction. If one is increasing, other is also increasing. So these are the example of positive correlation. Now let's come to the negative correlation. Okay, price and demand of a commodity. Suppose price is increasing, what will happen? If price is increasing, demand will go down. So if price is increasing, demand will go down. Okay, so it is a case of negative correlation, when one is moving upward and other is moving downward. So it is, they are related but they are negatively related. Okay, so we can say there is a negative correlation between price and demand of a commodity. Okay, now look the second one, sale of woolen garments and the day temperature. If the temperature increase, the sale of woolen garments goes down. So again it is a case of, if one is increasing, other is decreasing. So it is a case of negative correlation. Okay, so that means correlation is there but it is negatively related to each other. That means the variables, these two variables are temperature and sale are negatively related to each other. Now look at the third one, pressure and volume. If pressure increase, volume goes down. So again it is a case of negative correlations. So that means here a relationship is there but they are negatively related. In first three cases they are positively related. All are positively related means one is increasing, other is also increasing, that both are moving in the same direction. But here it is negative correlation. That means if one is increasing, other is decreasing. So the direction is change. So it is a negative correlation. That means the relationship between the two variables are negative. They are negatively related to each other Okay, but in both the cases the variables are related. Okay, so that means the relationship is there. Okay, so what is correlation? The two variables are said to be correlated if the change in one variable result in a corresponding change in the other variable. Okay, so this is all about what is correlation, what is bivariate distribution, what is multivariate, what is univariate distribution. Okay, and the examples of correlation or bivariate distribution, examples of positive correlation and example of negative correlation. Thank you.